Hi, my name is Allison Potteiger. I work at Resultant as an organizational change management consultant. What that means is I work with organizations to ensure that they're getting all their employees through a big change, such as a strategic plan, or if they're significantly changing processes in their everyday work, so changes in a tool or technology. I spend a fair amount of time in meetings with clients, just making sure that I understand where that change is occurring in the organization, how that's going to impact all of their employees. So making sure that employees have the training, they have the knowledge and information about what the change is and why it's happening, specifically to them and then organization-wide. So that takes a lot of emotional intelligence, being able to listen and also observe. So picking up on those social cues, and also just really understanding where employees are at and helping them get through that change. So we help take them through any kind of project change of making sure that we're preparing for the change, we're managing through the change, and then of course that the change is sustained. Where my specific expertise comes in is I've spent the last decade focused on internal communications for organizations as well as strategic planning. So helping employees get through that change and making sure that we have a plan and a strategy, as well as we're communicating and listening and taking employee feedback along the way. So they feel like this process isn't happening to them, it's happening with them. Hey, it's lunchtime. Typical lunch in Buenos Aires is, or just something you can eat, is empanadas, which these are huge. We really went for it. But, yeah, excited to dig in.
Are you not going to be a part of it?
Okay, we are going to a bar called Uptown that is modeled off the New York subway station. See you in there.